now going to apply the SEAGROW Lotion. This is an anti-aging formula made up of active algae extract combined with caffeine, menthol and tea tree oil. This is a purifying and balancing product for the scalp. It is suitable for clients that experienced hair loss, postpartum, dandruff, and either oily or dry scalps.
The lotion is perfect for promoting new hair growth and reducing hair loss.
Before application, it's essential that we shake the product really well before using to activate the ingredients. We now divide the hair into sections, taking the pipette, squeezing the SEAGROW Lotion onto the scalp, section by section, working from the front hairline all the way into the nape of the neck. We do this in sections all through the head. We're now going to massage the SEAGROW Lotion into the scalp thoroughly to ensure the product is evenly distributed and is absorbed into the scalp. Once complete, we apply our styling product